should be live. Yes. Should be live. There we go. Camera on, chat on. Now we're gonna take this one apart and then focus on the new light stand. Because less prints are spotted. Quick new updates. Where's the last one? Wait, where is it? It's this one and this one. There we go.
Sponsor, the Center for Stress
So
Management.
let's give it a bit more space because I have it. Cool. I hope it's doing words. I hope everyone is doing okay. I'm doing some small prep before we're going on to the main thing. Because always loading in. But I am happy because we're gonna try something fun. And I need to install the new motor engine all the way in the bottom here, so we're gonna take apart the marble traps a little bit. Because it's magnetized, I can. Which is the cool part. But this is a weird hard angle, so I will see if it actually clicks it in. But I'm gonna replace this one for the old one in the bottom. And see if it works. So I can run the marbles the whole stream. It's running, I think now, for the whole day, 4 or 5 marbles at the same time, going perfectly fine. Sometimes just a marble is faster than the other one, and then they get close to each other. So that part is, where's my, there, it's just really hard to actually stop, because small effects, if the motor runs, like, there are so many small details that doing all that. But we're making progress. Now this small installation, hopefully, oh, forgot one. What a bit. There we go. So let's put it in the trash can. And let's see if we can take it apart, because we need to reach the engine in a way that works. Without wrecking the whole thing. Like that. Okay, so first challenge is make this one here. This one is open. We can attach this one here. So let's see if we can grab this one. Yes. There we go. Okay, that seems to go okay. Let's give it a slightly more space. So now we can grab this one. And hopefully there's a little bit of space here. Nope, shit. There we go. Hopefully this is, yeah, this one is correct. So that's the hardest part. They will fall, but now we should be able to do this. Oop. Oop. The cables, of course. Oh, cable stuck. This one should be. This is a little bit of the problem. It only needs this space. Nice. Alright, we got it out. Woohoo! And now I need to remember which side is which one. So this one and this one straight in, straight out. So grab this one, grab this one. We're not gonna put the marbles in, that's not needed. But we need to replace this one and the base. So, yep, great day to chip my nails. There we go. That is a 1. the other one out. So that's this one and this one. Swap it out. Clicks in. Get the plate in back. Yeah, there we go. Now the position of this one like this. Cool. Now we can put this one and this one should line up. Cool. Now we have the lines correctly, and now we just have to put this one in here. Come on, click in. There we go. Found it. Now we can put this one back again. There we go. And now we can pull the cables back. See, this is how easy it goes. Hopefully. And now connecting all this back. Hopefully we do it on the right one. So there is. This one is like that, because that one turns out there. And then this one clicks in here, and then this one clicks in here, and that one clicks in there. Now the scary part, because this needs to click in decently. Oh, there we go. Nice snap. This one looks good. This one looks good. Inside still looks good. The connections look good. And that means we should be technically and be able to run it again. There we go. So let's do a test. This one works. This one works. There we go. There we go. That's the first one. And now this one can keep running again, so I can see if the bottom change is actually improving. I hope so. Two marbles should not get stuck, even if they get close to each other. There is now space for two marbles to keep sloping down. That's hopefully the thing I want to do. But let's get to the different angles and do this. Because now we're going to Fusion and hopefully design something cool. I cannot erase this, but I can do a small movement like that. That should be able to pick up. My microphone should be working, so that should also be the thing. Guess I am trying to find something here. The clamp, symbol parameter, because I want to play with this one. Because how big can we make this? So I kind of want 8. Oh, that looks pretty neat. That looks really good. Like I just guessed 8, so we got 8 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I put the number in, but how big is this? This is 20 centimeters. I can never visualize that, so it is. That is still this big. That is too much. Hey, I clicked on you. Come on. This is still 200 millimeters. That is way too big. Okay. If this is that big, yeah. Ooh. Can we go to 3? Probably need to do 4. So, finish sketch. Oh, I thought this was way smaller, but I am not really good at that. So let's go to 4. I mean, this looks cool. Now it's 100. That is still huge. That is not correct. If we do 4, that's gonna look cool, because then we have an inside part. We can get the LED strip out, so I'm gonna go with 4. I just have no clue how big it is. Because I am not sure of document settings. Yeah, I'm a millimeter. This does not sound from that to that. 112. Is this big? No, I am doing something not good. That is not the way I want. So let's go to this one and do the testing. Casing is not good. Alright, I thought that was gonna work, but nope. Okay, we made the letters here, we made that one here, we made the casing there, the outline test. This is important parts, yes. I still had one segment somewhere. I know I made it. Not that one. That's that one, yeah. So damn it, I lost the one segment that I wanted to make. Oh, boo. Oh, there it is. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's the one. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Eesh. Because together with that one, we can make this one. Okay, let's work from this, make a new one. Sometimes if you have a save file and it's way too long ago, you kind of forgot what you were doing. Welcome to life. Welcome to life. height ball. Okay, at least I want outline test. This one in. And for the casing. That part and that part. Cut out up. I don't need that, it's just the outline that I need, so just the sticking out part that is attached and that is in. Yep. Cool, because we're not doing the connecting part, we're just gonna solve this a little bit easier. So I need all that. Cool. Let's go. Now we can turn casing off. Close, close. Color bits can go off, and this is what I want. Cool, because now we have this one to this one. That's 35 centimeters. So yeah, it becomes pretty big if we go to 4 and 8. Yeah, that's what we want. I mean, can I go smaller? Okay, I don't have. Oh, I don't have 60 LEDs, of course. I don't have 60 LEDs. If I had a strip of 60, I could make the thing half smaller and I could make this a little bit easier, but I don't. I only have 30 LEDs per meter and not 60 or 120. I have 240s, but not the 60 and the 120s. Oof, darn. Boo, I should have thought about that one. We're gonna make it. Okay, let's see if we can recreate the turning. That from the sketch. The effect here looks cool, but I kind of want 8. I want 8. Let's do that. So let's open this one up, get the body in, single piece, go to a circle, let's say 8. And then we can do a small cutout. I said that you were not. Bill. Bill. I said you to you. So go there. Don't crash, please. Thank you. If I do concentrate on this one, doesn't work. Turn it to this one. Sketch, but now we get to the point. Cool, now at least we can do that. And find the right thing, because now it's 64, which is a lot smaller. Because the thing becomes a tiny bit bigger, so... Oh, let's see, left to right is... This one to this one is 48 centimeters. That's big enough. So we can cut this out on the inside, or we just keep it and should see it all. Then we just add that one and make this big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that works. Wait, is it not already stuck? See? The last one, so if we do the check, this is the part that just annoys me, but as you can see, this one, and at the end, so it's coming up now, it's already closed, and I start them 50-50, but this one is already closed, so somehow one of the marbles is always faster, and I cannot puzzle out why. It's very annoying. It's like, why? The other one is also catching up. So it's like it's always that small difference of like it's catching up. I don't know why. I don't know how. Not the engine part, or this the engine part, and don't know. But we get there. We get there. But so this is the 8. So do we want to have very big one, or do we just want a small lower one? Like it becomes a small handle, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 is nice. 4 height. So this one and this one and this one goes up. Right. Come on, I said this one. Set axis. Say extend spacing 3, 2. Oh, right, yeah. 3, 1. Now we say 4 times, and we can make a nice handle on the bottom, and then we at least have some LEDs in here. It's still a lot of soldering. Or are we going for 4? The 4 is really tiny, but this feels a little bit more bulk. It should be fine. Because this to this area is 48 centimeters. So if we check it on the work table, that is this one, and if you hold it in the bottom, so it becomes a little bit chunky. But I think I like the scale. So if I have a smaller handle here, and then you have 4 up, which is plus minus, that's 127 up. So by holding it, it goes like that high. Yeah, I think that looks fine, because then you have the holding part and this as LED strips and the small microphone on top. So it is around that you hold it here. Then I have space in the inside to put electronics in and do all that. That should be fine. Yeah.
You are listening to 24/7
That should
London
be
Radio.
fine. Let's see how we can make that. Let's do that one. Get the check in. Oh, my eyes. Ow, eyes. So let's get that in. So this feels as a good height. Now we just need to do the infill and get this one placed in. Okay, so this one needs to go lower. This part doesn't really matter, that's fine. So alright, so you are not there. Pointy point. This one. Select the object. I said object. Bodies. There we go. Origin point, you go Why I cannot grab this one and this one? I've done this before. Bodies, please. Okay, I have done this before. Why is this not working? Why is a line being so... Why I cannot do that? Okay. Boo. Okay. Boo, 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 boo. Click on that, please. What? I clicked on this. Oh, right, it's round. That's why I cannot click it. Erp. Okay. It's round. I forgot that. Okay, let's do a menu move. Fuck out. That should work. We also need to be very careful that this part is here. And then we're taking it up each a little bit on the inside, yes. Ah, they're always catching up, huh? Yep. Inevitable. But the marbles are still running. I hope everyone is doing okay here. Well, we puzzled this one out. Okay, this one can go a little bit more. Like that. Yes. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna do cut 1, cut 2. Move that down. Oh, right, this one needs to be a lot more precise. Need to check lamp. Because if this one is misaligned, then the whole printing, the assembly part won't work. I kind of forget that one, huh? Yeah. Oh, Fusion, you can do it. There we go. Okay, so this one and this one needs to be... Right. This one and this one is 1.85 out. This one to this one, 6.6. 6.6 minus that one. 6.6 minus 1.85. Okay. So first of all, you and you. Then 6.6 down. That was this line. And then another minus 1.8. Right, 6.6. And then I need to pause up again 1.85. Wait, God damn it. .85. Now that should be correct. Yes. Now we have this one. Cool. Now we have at least this one almost there. We can move that one. We can't because the corner's there. Okay, you will be gone. I need that part in there. That can just be on the ground. Yes. Now let's do a small simple cut, and because we only need the bottom part. Cut up, splice, splicing tool, there we go. Alright, simple, this one can be done. This one can appear, and this one is too high. This one can appear. Wait a minute, pieces already. Alright, so this one, let's double check the bottom too. Slightly higher than that point. Cool. Bottom is not that precise. No, wait. Oh, you cancelled. Yeah, I hate that. Oh, that's that line. That line is cool. Yep. Yep. One click. Also need to minimize GIMP. There we go. Okay, let's see. So this one needs to go there. Cool. And this cutout goes here. Nope. That one should be good. Yes. Okay, that is the second stage. Now we got the LED strip lining going out. It feels okay. So, cut out, let me say, join. Cut out, and we say that one. Flat axis. 8 full. I'm gonna remove the cutouts for a while. At least we have them, and we're gonna do this one. Create a new sketch. We need the center point at least. Crap, stop crashing. Okay, we got this one. Now we need this one, this one. Yeah, there. No. So that is that one. Okay, now we can disable the first sketch to grab that one. Move the cutout. Now we say join. Now we can do this one to here. Cut. Now we can bring all cutouts back, except this one. That's the bad one. And we set single piece, and then we select tools, this one to this one, and we say remove. And now we have the holes cut out. Which in simple ways, that's kind of what we want. So now we have the small lampstand. But we still need to attach the part in here, get the microphone on top of it, and make it fluffs. Can I just press pull this one and see how... that's much. 2. 3. Oh, that's so much. It kind of looks cool. I mean, it kind of looks cool, but then we get the problem of the cuts are not that deep. So if we could just press pull this part and not everything, that would be great. I just want to pull this one a little bit more out. But to do that, kind of looks cool. So again, double check. This should be 48 millimeters, so that is 8. Double check again. I'm always so bad at measurements. What is this? Yeah, okay, that's gonna look fine. Okay. Lamp handle. RGB handle. So let's save this. Let's see how it looks and what the print time on this part already is. We still need to design a couple more things. let's switch the camera because I'm showing my hand, so that is not working. So let's do this. There we go. So there we go. That should be better. That's better. Yeah, now I feel better. So now we have this focus. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Take it a little bit higher. There we go. I don't really have the zooming capability on this camera. Like, it's really crap, so I'm not doing that. But let's see where we're going. Okay. This is going to printables. Let's make a new folder here. More folders. Make one folder. Let's save that here. Let's open that up. Let's go to some plates. This one should be good now. Yep. Come on, I said shift. Okay. Home projects, program. Oh. Didn't click on save yet. There we go. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. How much time is this? I still need to do it local. I'm curious, like, I think this is 5 hours. I think this is around 5 hours. You can generate it. Oh, 6 hours. Okay, that's not bad. Line should be... Oh, wait, what? Yeah, that's not good. Oh, I made this one too thick. Yikes. Did I... Do I have a parameter here? .8, so this needs to be 4.5, needs to be 1. Let's see if this does not crash. Okay, that should be better. Oops, the thickness was set to patchy. I forgot that one. That's why you check. That's why you check. That's why you check. So we can do that one. Do this one. Do windows. So this should be a little bit less plastic, and hopefully 2 lines, which for PLA white should work way better. There we go. See that? Oh. Oh. Now I need to calculate that one, huh? First layer, 45, 45. Oh, that is 9. Oh, that's not the one you want. Hopefully handled now. Should be alright now, or something is screwing with me, as always. Alright, that is looking good. Yep, okay, that looks good.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
That is gonna look funky. This is not good either. Yeah, I think I need to make an adjustment here. So, I mean, it saves a lot of time, and we don't really need the plastic. But at the same time, not fully here. I'm not happy with this. This one just keeps going, and we have the infill parts. Oh, I'm not happy with that infill. If this was not here and this was just the line out, then it's fine. But at the same time, ooh, I'm not happy with that. Yeah, it's gonna happen anyway because it's the thickness. It's how lines work. This is fine. This is one line, should keep the lead strip in place. That is okay. Infill is fine. This is already estimated 100 grams. So this is one batch of marble parts. We should get that one. Yeah, okay, we're gonna make this one a little bit more topped on, so this one closed off. Okay, let's fix that. That's what we do with this one. This one and this one. Then we have the edge completely. Right. This one and this one. There we go. You can do it. Yes. Don't crash, please. Thank you. -2. Up. +2 then. I said +2. Not his 2. Okay, that should be fine. This one needs to be parallel. Be 8.9 and you need to be 8.9. So I want this one and this one, then now not equal. Nope. I did that one. Nope. That is very annoying that you can just throw it away if you misclick. That's not fun. You and you are parallel. This moves all the time, huh? Okay. Lesson learned. Don't do it like I do. This one needs to be equal. But you are an offset, right? You and you are now equal. 105. 1. Okay, this one. Cool. We can remove these ones safely. Now we can say this one, and this one. Create a circle pattern, center point. Let's go for that one. Then we say 8 times. Yeah, cool. Finish sketch. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, why are you not combining? Yeah. I have deselected these and somehow it just like, nah. Going. Now that arrow should also be gone because the things are there. Sometimes it's just this is just fusion being fusion. Ah, there we go. I don't think that one shows up, so I think I can ignore it. Let's double check, because seeing it in Fusion is not the same as seeing it in the slicer. And the slicer in a lot of ways gives me more information. There we go. Yeah, that thing is too small. Okay, so now at least this is cornered up. Gives a much better feel. So it's only a small bit that should be compatible, and then we have small holes. Still a little bit sad, but it's a lot better. Printing time, yep, 30 minutes down because better padding for the plastic. Less jumps makes that part a lot better. This is fine. I can tweak this. I'm not bothering. It's too much. Infused good. Inside for the left. Wait, what? Okay, one is just completely missing. What? Okay, Fusion, why are you being such a bloody pain? I disabled this and I can enable it again. Yeah, now that one is gonna break again. Yeah, because this one is off. I don't know why it's doing like that. This one needs to be done. All the tools except that. What the f? Okay, is it good now? Can I process on? Should be. I hate that freaking button. I just want to delete the freaking plate, not. Sometimes. Okay, now it looks. Now it looks good. Does it work now? Oh yeah. Okay, all the holes are good. Small bits are gone. Inline is good. There we go. Okay, progress. Okay, I'm just gonna do a simple soldering, so that should work out better. And do all that. I can make a cool clicky tongue on the top. I can make attachments here that just snaps it in. Technically, I can turn it around too if I want to. As long as I can access these points, I can make a cool thing on top. Yeah, because then I will do a magnetized click and that's it. Okay. And I can go back to Fusion. Now I need to measure up my microphone, which is going to be fun. Yeah, I have magnets on the bottom, so that is pretty well easy. So I can click it in by this much, just with. Where is the dust color? Anti-thing? And I lost it. Oh, there. Found it. See, the moment you complain, you lose it, you've done it. So I can do this one here. So this is the thing on top, a little bit of a fluffy. And then I can hopefully click it in like this, so I only need to model this surrounding and it's going to be magnetized, so it will click in, but then I can grab it out. So I only need a small bit that sticks in here, so I only need to model
Station sponsor, the
this small bit, add a magnet holder, and then it just clicks onto it. That's going to be cool, yes. Okay, this is gonna be fun because one, I'm holding the microphone, but I am measuring the microphone. Okay, let's do this. Let's create a new component. Microphone. And start my one. Thing is not centered, should be fine. So we're just gonna place it. Okay. So this is all straight, so it's fine. So this can be 22.5. 20.5. Let's do that on the midpoint here, so that is good. Measure 50. 15. Also center point this one, and there we go. There we go. Okay, I want you there, I want you there. Out. So 10 out. Check. 11.5 out. 11.5 out. Again, midpoint to this one. And then double check. So now I'm not sure. Three point 3. So 3. Now let's just do it simple and don't touch them. We don't need that. Now we can. Oh, gee, that was not fun. Polygon, no arc circle, rectangle, oops, slots. I think it was this one. I always forget which one is which. Oh, that is incorrect because I'm. Oh, I made it. Okay, just keep it simple. Just keep it simple. So this is plus minus. Check 15. 50 going in, that is right, that was 11.5 because we have that height. We should still be in visible range of doing that. Yeah, is my camera frozen? Oh, my camera's not frozen. Okay, yeah. So, doing all that, we have the box, that's the cutout, this needs to be 15. 15. And we can call this make cutout. This is what I need to stick in. Doing all that. Now I just need to line it up. Center of that. This one goes from here to here. Now is that way lined up, and we can easily do this. Save that. Yeah, so this one sticks in here, and then the LEDs around it should be fine. Do we want to make a small tower so we have a little bit more cable space, or do we add... That should be awesome. Puzzle that one out. This one is cool. Okay, so now we can go up. Now we need something that actually attaches to that. Also visible here. Slightly, that's fine. Should be fine. There's no touch depth there. This part being silly should be fine, because if we do this, it's going to do that. This makes it even. Yeah, but small details, don't care about. Actually get it in is the hard part. LED strips going in. Okay, now we need something that sockets this one in and stores the magnet. Okay. We're just gonna brute force it in, no glue, and just click it in, and if it's get loose, we can get it loose. And if we go for really tight, it should be fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna brute force it a little bit. So let's create the sketch. Okay, you can be gone for now. Okay, I wanna click it in, but I'm gonna do brute force a little bit so it sticks there. So we do a little bit slightly off plane and do that. There we go. So at least I want you and you. That's the lining, so that's the stick out. Is too much. Let's go there. Huh. Why is this one equal and this one not? Very confused. That is 3. And that's 3. Why are you not equal? Because the sentence 1.5, 1.5 off, 1.5 off, that's the same distance. You're wrong. That feels better. Okay. That's right. Right, you can do it. That handle, that's this. bit more rigid. That is fine. That should be fine. Yes. Okay, now. Yeah, that just looks better. It just looks better. Neat. Okay, you, circle around, select axis, there we go. Handle, combine, 246. Okay. Okay, I started to like the shape. The shape is going good. Now we just need to get the top in because that's the microphone handle. Okay, so we need to get one magnet in, place it in, and then we can swap it. It's magnetized, so we can always get it out, but this part needs to go stuck in here. If we do it like that, it's too precise, so we can do it like that. Yes. Is this big enough? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's too small. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm full. So, but this thing is also very heavy, so we're not putting in a whole battery in. Oh, that's a waste. Okay, maybe we can do a small battery. For now, we'll just attach it. Right, and then I have a little bit of reach. Yep. Yes. Okay, let's make components, say light top. Let's make that one in piece. We say this as a sketch base. These can use that, so if the cable's going in there. Okay, how can I make a chamfer cut there? It goes a little bit down sharp, but it's in the angle here. No. Can I? Oh, this is the crappy mindset. Blip. This is the insert that goes in. Need a small offset, which is fine, but I kind of want to do it there. Circle pattern, center point. Circle pattern. Let's go for 8. Oh, if I clip this in, I'm never gonna get it out. at least I can go 15 down. Let's remove the USB from there. Let's see if we can do this chamfer up. This is directly dead. Not what I want. Son of a... I don't want that. I don't want that. I had hoped that I could only tune for this one, but that's not gonna work, of course. I can do it like that. Okay, let's do the sketch here. Let's get this one and this one pointed in. How high is this? So that is 15 and 15. So if I go to 14, it goes this high. That's too much. So let's go for 10. Also too much for... Wait, this is 15 high, so I need to be 7.5. 7.5, please. Yeah, there we go. You, now you and you are equal. Okay, I'd hope that, yeah. Okay, let's make a new body. Let's do it in 2 pieces. Just 2. Use this one, select remove. Nice, I like that. That's yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Oh wait, I can grab it in here and then just pull it out. Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let's get this action moved around, select axis, and poof, that's...
You are listening to 24/7 London
Really?
Radio.
I hate you sometimes, you stupid fusion. Don't drag into it. That's better. Cool. Now, small set of change selection, please. 0.01. That one. device is still running, but at the same time I now know what I did wrong, so like, it's still going. It's really awesome. So this I will probably run for another day before I say it's good. But that's the timing. Okay, now I need to go back to this one because I have forgot something. Oh, right, there the tops. No, I forgot the tops. So I cannot print it in this way. That is going back to the top. Sketch one, please. There we go. Okay, now it goes in, but now it can just fall through, which is the problem. We need to hold it. And we're gonna do that. So now we can disable this one again. No, not disable it. Go to light number 1. Just let it go for a while. Sketch can be off, yes. Ooh, right. Okay. This one. And one, please. -1. Let's get this one back in. Okay, this needs a little bit more space. Yes, a little bit more space. -18. Okay, yeah, just better. We say offset. -15. -15. We can go here. Doesn't matter. What we mostly want is that. So let's select new body plate. Chamfer. circle again. Circle of life. There you go. Okay, so now it clicks. Well, we just shove it in and grip-wise it should fit. Magnetize it. Clicks in like that, goes in like that, and we do that. Okay, let's. There we go. Okay, fine. That one out. Okay, we need a little bit stronger bottom, so I probably can make a screw there, a little bit bigger, and screw it out. Yes. I can get microphone, that's this is 50. Okay, now we need magnetize. Oh, right. Not like. Okay, so magnet-wise, I have a problem because I don't have the flipping space to do this. That grips it. Oh. Oh, that. If I'm gonna move there. Okay, that's fine. So there's magnetized here or here. So if I do it correctly like this, that should be fine. Can give the stop command, put the magnet in. Double check if there's something in here that's actually okay. And just clicks on there, so that is fine. That's good. The best position is that. Cool. Yeah. Cool. Let's check. There we go. Thickness is. Yeah, that's 4. Ah, bloody hell. This one is already bigger. Okay, let's see. We have 3 millimeters of spray, so that's not gonna work. And I want to print it from that side, so that is also not gonna work. So still wobbly. Okay, so we go a little bit bigger. Yeah, we go bigger. We need to go. So get the handles, cables there, flip it in, go there. Ooh, okay. It's not there. I think it's bigger than that, and we also need this one bigger, so we have RGB handle, light itself. Oh, right. Okay, now I can go to light. And I can pull this one through. There is space for the cables to stick out. It should be fine. There is enough space there. It should be fine. slash net. Oh, lost it again. There we go. Still should be fine. Open it there. Yep, okay, that is awesome. Cool. Now we can say right hand here. Combine, select that. Now we have some space. Nice. Good, because now we can line it up and hopefully put it in. I think both headsets are the same magnetized wise. Let's test that. Sorry if there's echo. This one is here. This one is okay. They are the same. Cool. Awesome. Testing that one out. Okay. So that is plus minus in that area. This is the stick out, so that must go. Slightly stick out, so that's the top handle. Magnets stop working. So that is 10. That's better. Okay, so that's the magnet. I'm gonna open the space up and make it a little bit bigger. But first, this needs a line up. You are constrained to this. A little bit sticky out. So this is the magnet space you want. And we're gonna create a little bit bigger. 2.7. This one. Oh, oops. Offset, minus 12. And we say here, minus 5. How far is this? This is 7, so now we get 10 to flip actually, so that's not gonna work. But it's gonna create enough space that it should work. I hope so. This can be minus 5, please, not 7.5, not 500. Crap. Nice, that's cut. Nice. Oh, right. Offset of 0.6. Oh, 0. Cut. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Okay, so loading in this part. Focus mesh. Good. Let's see, because if this one, then it's just the bottom. One, two, three. This layer can go way bigger. Please make it bloody bigger. I'm so not happy with that. This is fine. That looks okay. Yeah. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, now the magnet's in place. We need a small stop command. We need to put in that. Now we just need the bottom. Okay. Let me think. Okay, now I need to add the bottom, and that's also the ESP in the power supply of the cable. So I need one cable. That one, so I have a cable. Yes, I have that one. Yes, and I have that one. Okay. Oh, no, I'm not feeling it well. No, it's so flat on the top. Can we make something cool with it? Without yeah, still works. Press fit it in, should work. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's a lot of bottom. Yeah, bottom is going to be screwed. It's going to be screwed, I think. Can I make that one and that one? Probably. Screw it in, that should be fine. sketch correctly. It's going to be a pain. Okay, yeah. Let's extend this by 5. A little bit more space. Let's say sketch here. That was nobody. Not you, anybody, please. Thank you. Okay, let's remove this one. Let's see if we can make threads that actually works. Models, please. Go to isometric. Go to ready. What the shit? What? Oi, 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 oi. Okay, that's too much. I just need. Oh, I can't do this. Okay, let's see. This one, not good. This one looks promising. GP metrics. Yeah, it's gonna unscrew all the time, huh? Oh, that's gonna unscrew all the time. Because, you know, if you put it in, it's, yeah. But the angle looks good. The angle looks good. Right, let's do that. Small offset, but 0.01. That's one for now. You go -5. Don't crash on me, Fusion. You can do it. Hey, Mohammed. Whoa, that's a long name, man. How are you doing? Oh, that's a very long name. How was your day? I'm trying to make a microphone holder so I can hold my microphone while I walk around on events. And currently having troubles with that, so let's see. Because I'm trying to make an RGB lamp, so I've made lamps before, so let's go to the work table, a lot easier to show. So currently making marble contraption here, which is also very big and really hard to show if I don't have power. I have this one here, but the camera's not picking it up, so let's go to here. Pick up this one. Yeah, there we go. So this lamp is the big one, and I have a couple small ones here. And I'm trying to make a one that has the microphone holder, so I can hold it while it is 4 high and setting that up. That's hopefully my progress on the stream and trying to puzzle out how to do that, and yeah, still working on it. Still working on it. But this is a smaller version, got the top electronics working out, and then soldering, printing this one. And now I'm trying to puzzle out the bottom in making a good connection. And let's go to that one. And switching it out. So this is more handhold. So this is around 83 big and 115 high. So holding it like that, this piece, what you see on the screen, is around this high. So I hope I model things correctly and I can do it in one fell swoop. And I'm just doing it simply, so. Oh.
Our thanks to our station sponsor, the Center for Stress Management, London.
Why I cannot do this cutout? Because it's too big? It should work. Is it because this one and this one is now 5? Yeah, this should work. Why is this not working? Do I need to make it smaller? And to do that, maybe? Yeah. Okay, let's see. So this one. Press pull. A little bit like that. Let's see if this works. Then we go to the screw thread type. Now it works. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, that works. Okay. Oh, this sucks. Oh, I need to come up with another way. This is not gonna work because this is too much on the ground. Because if we do this one right now, we save it and check it in the slicer, this is not gonna work. Oh, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Nope. Boo. Oh wait, whoa. Still? Oh. Okay, this might actually work. It's just that angle here. But the rest should be fine. Wow. And I can also set up the start. So I can try that. So let's try this. Add modifier. No, laser parameters. Just on this one. Let's see. I want. Nope. Okay, let's add modify a cylinder. Let's focus it up. Scale. Oh, of course, of course. Okay, review. What? No. Add settings. Laser parameters. What the shit? Why Prusa, are you bloody hell being such a stupid bitch? Okay, where are the bloody layers, you Prusa? Oh, fuck you. Oh, if I do it here, then it's also gone. Like, come on, you. I just want this part, this small part, 0.1, and the rest can be 0.2. Add a setting, layers and parameters. Now I see it. But I only want that small piece, and there is no way to say custom part this height. Because if I do it like this, the layers disappear. Oh, I need to do it on that one. Okay. Start height, and that goes 5 up. Now it needs to be 0.1. Yeah. Then after this to I don't care. I hate when the settings are all mixed up and the What will you generate? Yes. Cool. I need to switch that up. That's fine. Yeah, so this is the only part that is screwy up. Okay, that is awesome. And the rest is looking good. I'm happy. I am happy. Okay, I can agree with that. I can agree with that. Now I just need to find this piece. Yeah, that's this one. Hi, Zigzag. How you doing, man? Extra stream. Just an extra stream. There's normally only Tuesday, but okay, I need to do that for granted. So okay, that bridge is gonna suck. I cannot change that because that's the turning in. This one at least clicks in like it should be. That is fine. This is a screw in. Yeah. So my silly idea is making a small lamp that you can fit in the microphone. Just click it in, and then you have a microphone holder with RGB LEDs in it. Like I'm trying to make that. How are you, man? How are you? Also, Marble's still running. Somehow this small track always has them next to each other, and the other one is always equal. Something in this one is the marbles catch up, like very frustrating. Like, why is 1, 2 next to each other? The other one is doing fine, but this one, this small track, and the other track is one big one double looped. But that one is just somehow the marble always catch up. Doesn't matter what I do. The marble is always catching up. Even if I turn it around, I don't fully understand why, but it's still doing it. I'm very confused by it. But it works. This is now running this whole stream. It has run yesterday the whole bloody day. And it's now slightly improved by, let's grab this camera. So, and now I need to see myself. Let's go here. So the marbles are now fully ticking out, so that they won't get stuck here anymore. They just don't get stuck here. Sometimes they loop stuck here, and then the next marble ticks it out. But now it's like doing fine, which is really cool. Because I made this setup, so the fin, this one is a lot bigger and lower, and that ticks it out. So it always gets ticked out. It doesn't jam up. It doesn't slow the process down. And you don't need a second marble to get it out. So it's stably working. The problem is the bottom only has 2 marble catching points, where it's like so let's see this one, and let's do that. So yeah, there we go. Please. So top camera is a lot easier. So if one marble rolls in the bottom, yeah. So if the marble rolls in, this one. If the first one is still going up, the second marble bounces mostly not up. I dropped because I touched it. There we go. So the second marble gets, this should be around, because this is not the original thing, so let's find an old engine. There we go, that's better. So let's find the old engine part, push it in. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, so if the second comes in, so if they are really close to each other, and it's what that one track is currently doing, this one falls in, is not able to catch up. So that one's going up, and then this one should click in here, but it bounces off, and it stays stuck at the point where the marble cannot continue. So if a third marble comes in, so if we grab this one, and that should not happen. So if this one is stuck here, and a second marble has enough force, it ticks it in, but then this one is stuck here. And now I made some space where this flat piece here, so this small flat piece here, is now also angled, and this is a lot lower. So this part here already drops it, so there is more space. So a second marble will catches it. And now you have space for two marbles. But if people stuff it full with more marbles, then you get the problem like there's always a marble stuck at the bottom. So this whole piece also needs to be sloped, so the next one rolls in when the elevator is available. But everything is flat, so this is a bit of the problem. I don't really have much space to make a good small downslope marble catcher. That's the one I'm still puzzling out. But for now, for the SMRRF Festival in March, it works. Yes, but then everything becomes different layered, which defeats the single purpose of doing the flat parts. Because then you have different layers and you have small stackers, so you only get, instead of this height, you just print this piece and have this as a razor. But then you have special pieces for this part, and this part can be slowly sloped. And that creates more that creates so many more pieces. Then you're printing so much waste. So I don't want to do that. So still puzzling that one out. Still puzzling that one out in like how to do that, how to reach that point of that 3, 4, 5 marbles in a row can do that. I'm still tinkering it out, but yeah, I'm not there yet. But for now, this works. So for now, this works. Yeah, that's the part I'm trying to puzzle out how to do that. Because without interfering with the current pieces I have, without adding an insane more troubling position, I have an idea, but not sure about it yet. And I still have other projects that I need to puzzle out first before the SMRRF Festival. So yeah, that one is postponed until I have the other stuff ready. For now this works, 2 marbles, 3 marbles work. If the track is big enough, then a couple more marbles work. But even with 4 marbles on 2 different tracks going intertwined, it looks interactive. There is always a marble running around, except of those 2 again. Like, see how fast they are closed onto each other? Like, this one and this one are already close, and I'm gonna wait, and like, it's catching up pretty fast. I still don't know why. And I don't know, like, they are so fast catching up with the chain of marbles. And that's the one I'm still puzzling out. This should be consistent, but I don't know why. But yeah, this is a small piece. I still have a mountain of pieces, like I still have not used all of this. And this is a whole mountain of pieces. This took me 2 hours to build up. Because multiple pads. And I have not even... And I have not even added one of the splitters to make more pads. I think I'm printing for the last 2 months non-stop. Like, it takes around 7 hours for 9 pieces. I have 2 printers currently, so every 7 to 8 hours I have 18 pieces. I just posted a video, me being cynical, I was like, I'm one of the older ones, like, I think I'm about 6-7% of the way of the project done. I wanted to print 600 pieces, and I thought I was around 6-7%. I did the math, so 406 pieces of 600 is literally 67% of 600. I took it as a joke, but yeah. And now I'm getting more plastic, so I can print up to 1400 pieces. So yeah, 7 hours for 9. So 18 per 7 hours. I'm gonna go for 1200. Let's do some mind calculation because I'm bad at that. Well, in bags. you just throw it all in a bag. Like, that's why this is magnetic, because like I can literally just throw them in a bag and they can just be packed in like this. And you can just throw them in a bag. The only things you need to be careful about is these ones. So put this in a separate bag and don't trash this bag around, because this one, the droppers are very squishy. But these pieces, you can throw them all in a bag and just... I think around 400 fit in one simple bag, and I need a couple bags. And a car. Probably a car. But doing that... Oh. There went the sound. And now my sound broke. And because I touched my headset. Here we go. But yeah, that's this process. I want to build. I want to use all the pieces in the contraption, and it's probably going to take me a whole long live stream to build up a really big, insane marble contraption just for this shits and giggles. Because why not? So hopefully in the next week 10 more kilos will come in. This is around 8-9 kilos, so I can double it. So yeah, I'm gonna reach 1200 pieces. I have magnets enough for 1500 pieces. And then we're just gonna go bigger. And yeah, adding the splitter onto it is gonna increase the chance that marbles will collide. Because if you split, you get different length pads, so they will join up again. So that's why I need to focus technically, if I do only marble, how to stop the jamming on the bottom. But I also have a lamp to finish and a lot of other things for the Senshi Mortem Wrap-Up Festival, which is in England. So I'm gonna drive to England by car, with a train, with a car, on the train to England. It's gonna be fun. But oh boy. It still works, it runs. I can add more marbles, but then at the bottom it sometimes gets stuck. So I still need to puzzle that one out, but I have an idea, but it takes prototyping. But it stays cool. It just stays cool. It works now. The top doesn't jam up anymore. It flows. Heck yeah! I made this. I made this. Let's go even more crazy, huh? Yep. Totally not a wrong thing or something. No, this is fine. Yeah, but that's the things I like to make most, because a lot of people, when they walk by the lamp. So let's grab the good one, camera. I love the creating stuff that people are like, oh, this looks boring, and then you show them something, and then they're like, wait, this is not boring. Because if we go to this one and we do some darker lights, and then people are like, they are looking at this lamp and it's like, oh, this just looks like a big lamp. Well, that is kind of boring, you know. And then I can do a trick, because then it's like, you want to see a cool trick? And then most people turn around like, wait, what trick? And then I always ask them, this is what I do at the physical events. And I'm like, so how fast do you think I can make this lamp smaller? And then most people are like, smaller? Yeah, I can make this lamp smaller. How fast do you think I can do it? And some people say 30 seconds, 1 minute, or like, oh, that takes you an hour. And it's like, I just have to do this. And this gets people, because then you're like, wait, what the fuck? And I've seen so many people in the Maker Faire in Germany. They walked by, didn't interact with it. I got other people interacting with. And the moment you do this, you see them from distance watching and like, wait a minute. And I think that's the part I like to do the most. Is surprise people. Make something that looks simple, but make it fun. And that's the part that I love to make the most, is just having fun with things. And that's how you get this kind of stuff. And for me, it's the point of, if my projects can get you to stick around, then my projects are doing good, right? That's how I make this lamp, and hopefully the small lamp, and getting that all in. That's the stick of making and creating things. It doesn't have to be fully functional and the best selling thing. It needs to sell enough. It needs to create enough. It needs to entice enough. That's all we need. But to create the next big thing, not my thing. I just want to have fun. But yeah, you need to puzzle out how to make it worthwhile and do all that. That's the hard part. It's creating something that can actually sell. I don't know if the marble or the lamp can actually sell. If it does, like, ooh, I'm excited. I can prototype more insane, funny, silly things. But you never know until you try. And I had many people in my life that said like, oh, why you're making a lamp? Anyone has a lamp. But now I'm meeting more and more people that are like, cool, I want your lamp. Where can I buy the lamp? And right. I have a business to run now. Instead of just me doodling around, it's like finding all those small things. That's the challenge. That's the challenge of creating these things. And now I'm trying to make a smaller lamp version with just 8. No. I'm trying to get in contact with one of the researchers that is doing that. And those people are really hard to reach. I've contacted one who's like, oh yeah, before we talk, you need to pay us 400 euros before we actually start messaging. I don't have that money, so I'm gonna look for someone else that just answers the simple questions like, how does this work? What is the timing? And how can I do this adequately safe and that it works? Next one. I hope the other one reacts, because that one is literally 1 hour driving, and the one that says 400 paying is all the way in Rotterdam. And that's 1 hour and 40 minutes driving for me. So 1 hour and 10 minutes if I'm lucky with no traffic. And the other one that is not reacting should be in the 30-40 minute range if I'm lucky. So I really hope that one reacts, because then maybe I can go there, do some small video stuff as a backup, like, hey, I can do recording and like, how do you work, and show more people what you're doing here, and maybe get other clients through my links, so I can do it hopefully a little bit more free. So I need to play that content creator card, and I need to use it, and I'm still not used to doing that. Like, hey, I'm a content creator. I can give you I can give you views and more people. Yeah, I'm not there yet. But yeah, this one, very small. So this is around this big in the width. So in the width. And height should be around 112, so you hold it and you can put the microphone in it, and then it clicks on, and so you have a microphone holder where you can click in the microphone and I can walk around. Because for the Smurfs, so Sandy Morton Wrap-Up Festival, I have a table there with my lamp and the marble contraption, but I also have a 360 camera, so I want to walk around a little bit and get a 360 recording of the whole event. So people that are also autistic, so I'm autistic and neurodivergent in that field. I am neurodivergent. And some content creators do focus on the booths, the companies. I just want to give people a more surrounding of like, this is the event. So if you think it was busy, I can show you with my videos like, hey, it's not that busy. So if you don't like the crowded stuff, there's also a quiet room, there's also places to relax and to go away from all the busy parts, and you can chill out. So inviting more people that also are neurodivergent, that are really afraid of big crowded people, and hopefully make those people like, you can come too, because we are also, most of us, neurodivergent, and we're very open to that kind of people. Anyone, to be honest, because we respect everyone's their boundaries. And hopefully with my 360 cameras and then microphone, I can walk around and just talk to myself. And if someone just jumps in, like, hey, what are you doing? I can just keep talking like I'm doing right now, but still get a 360 view of everything I'm showing. I was like, I need something to get a microphone handle, and I was like, fuck it, let's make a mini lamp. Let's make a mini lamp. That's what I'm trying to puzzle out right now. At least I'm trying. Yeah. So this one is good. Then we have inside screw. And hopefully this works in one go. I have no clue. Okay, so this one screws in, that one screws in. Okay. Okay, how big do I want to make the stick? So I want to hold it like that, plus minus. So I want to go for 40. I want to go for 40. 40. 40. This is 40, so okay, 25 is better. 25 is better. So 2.5. Okay, now plus minus 80. 90 is good. Okay, so now we have the handle. We have the top in place. Light handle top. Microphone. That's the microphone point in, and then I just have to solder a lot of electronics into it. It's gonna be strips of 4, so 4 by 8, so that is 16. That's 32 LEDs. That's nothing. That's gonna be cool. And you have a small thing that you can walk around with and show yourself, like, hey, I'm recording, I'm talking, and if you want to join in, just get that point in. But we still need to add an RGB ESP into this one that has the cable there. So I'm gonna make this a tiny bit bigger. Press pull. 25. And this one is gonna contain some infill because we don't want to have this one snapped. We don't want to snap this one in place because then we have the problem that it breaks off and it's really not fun. Okay, yeah. And oh, we also need to clip it in now. Yeah, we also need to clip it in. So if we make the ESP assembly, not on this one, again, not on that one. Oh, don't crash. I know I've made an ESP somewhere that I can use. This one, yes. There we go. Okay, there's the ESP. Now we just need to click it out, click it in, and click that one in, shove that one. Ooh. Okay, we found the ESP chip, components, letters. Let me say it's gonna be a component, so we're gonna insert component. Mac letters, components, Mac letters. What? What? Well, that is new. Also should not be this one, it should not go to this one. What? Cancel. Hello? I said cancel. I just want this one, please. Okay, that is fine. So we have the USB stick now. We can place this one in here. USB chip. We can remove this one. And let's move you all the way up there. Is this enough space? Capture position, yes. Inside screw needs to be on. Okay, wire-wise this should be fine, but it's gonna turn slightly, so I need the wires a little bit more up. Just twist, turn it in, click it in. Is this the position where I want it? No, I want it there. Okay, so we can grab the ESP chip itself. And now we bring back instruction, just scroll up. Nope, hold on. And we can screw the wires here, and then it should be fine. Yes, okay. I need to visualize the ESP, and the opening of the cable itself is this one. Oop. So let's grab the cable. Cable. Okay, we need to make this one again. So we need this thickness. And this one is gonna stick out here, and then I can grab that one. Let's grab an ESP out of the back. Like that one. Like that one. That one. Not too many bags. Bloody hell. No, that was not that one. Found one. No idea what I dropped. Alright, so this one clicks in, hopefully good enough. Because this one clicks in decent enough. Okay. Okay, we have some space here. It clicks in decently, so I only have to lock in the ESP on the bottom, click it in, that is fine, because we're gonna get a layer that it locks in like that, and then clicks into the bottom, like the part I just hit. So we get that point in. Then I can just solder the wires to the inside, which is that direction, is on this area. So this area is the back, so I can wire up, so even if we turn it around it should be fine. Tangled wires, I'm gonna add some more wires, then that should be cool. Put the starting point at the end so we can flip it around. The rest should tie it up. We can use some tape or anything with that. Yes. Yeah, that should be fine. This is a part from me, so I don't have to do the CE issues. Because this is just me. If someone else wants it, they are, yeah, not my problem. Now we need to measure that one. Okay, so let's capture position, move copy, and now we're gonna do it is lined up. Yes. So let's go for a little bit more thickness, please. 12 by 7. By 7. Parallel with this one, please. I hate the square because if you're not lined up in the actual thing, it doesn't have a clue what to do. Okay, so 12. Yep. Come on, you can do it. Just making a sketch. So you. Nope. I'm gonna have this problem again, huh? 12. By 7. You still need to line up with this one. Yeah, you are parallel. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's the one we want. Okay, that one is there, that one is there. Oh, this needs to print upside down. Oh, derp. That's the flat side. Ooh, that's a problem. Okay. Inside cut. Inside screw. Okay, that is not much. Okay. Cancel. So you go again. Boo. How do I print it without supports? This is very flimsy. I cannot insert that. This is 5mm, is not much. This part still sticks in here, sticks in here. Oh, right, yes. Okay. Finish sketch. And let's go to chip. Okay, so this one literally goes like that, which is a little bit iffy. 2.9, 2.8, oh, 3.1, 3.2, 3.1. Wants a little bit more distance. There we go. And then we just click it in. Wait, what? Wait, what? Why it's not moving? What the hell? What? 3.2. Oh. That's why. And now it should be bitching. Oh, no. Okay. So we do the inside screw gun. This one needs to go down. Get this one back. Okay. Ooh, can I do that cross? Because it sticks out to that, so I can do that. I'm doing all that to that. Okay, we're trying to puzzle out, like, because if I can do this one, if this works, then that is great, but that means I need to go 1/8 down.
You are listening to 24/7
and this
London
piece
Radio.
is 3. But this piece is 2.3. So technically it should work, but that is scary. That is very scary. Should work. Because we printed upside down. Oh wait, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, we don't need to do that. We're printing from this space. We're printing from that space. Okay. What? Why I cannot grab you? Minus 1.5, please. That was weird. I could not grab the extrude. So this prints flat. So we don't have to do the chamfer because this just prints upside down. So, whew, I almost forgot that one. Ooh, I do take my sugar. Oh, sugar's good. Okay, I'm good to go. I thought my sugar was low. So this one is gonna print, that one is gonna print, this one needs to be also in that range, that one needs to be in that range. Alright, so that sticks in. Now we need the ESP back. And now we need to make a small clip that goes inside but holds enough. Because this is the way it's gonna print, so we cannot stick things out. Yeah, fuck it, we gotta use a screw. We are gonna use a screw because I am keeping it simple. Not on that side, but we can use a screw here and screw it in, and then this one can hold in place. Yes, yes, okay. Okay, let's do that. So let's create a line here. Let's call it 6. You and you are parallel. You are gonna go 1 out. You are going to the midpoint. And we just say another 2. And let's make it 3. 3. You and you are equal. That is -5. Let's not do that. Let's go to 3. Oh, yep. Let's make this also 3. Take a sketch. No, it's not in there anymore. How close is this? 1.5. Yep. Okay, so now we have the small clip here, and then we can do that. And we can just simply print it like anything we want. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's make a sketch here. Let's point this in this one. Cool. And then we can do this one. Let's give it a little bit of space. This one needs to go all the way up here. This can be 1. Okay, 2, 3 up. This not matter for now. Okay, we have this one. Okay. My small screws are somewhere here. Where are they hidden? Okay, this is why I don't like cleaning up my table, because then I instantly forget where everything is. I need to stop cleaning, because then I can actually find my stuff. Bloody hell. Am I out of screws? No, I should not be out of screws. I should have way more screws. I just need to bloody find them. I had all the boxes here somehow. Not here. Not here. Not in this one, not in that one. And that occupies too. Yeah. I lost my screws. Yes, I lost it. Okay, well, found one. That's all I need. Cool. I just need 1 screw for this. So you click that one in. If the other part is screwed on, then it should be stuck enough that it cannot move anymore. Okay. So we have this one here. And now we need this one. Now you go there. You go there. Okay. You are gonna go attached to that one. Okay, not what I wanted, but okay. Wow. And this goes 5. So I'm going to stick. This is around 5, that's 5. Up by 2. And now we just need to do this. So this is around 5. Okay, this goes 7. Nope.
Thanks to our station sponsor, the Center for Stress Management.
This one. Everybody. ESP clip. And the sketch here. Now we're gonna make the screw. 2 points. Two. Okay. 2. Of course. Double check that this is a square. Yes. That's the height. Down. Minus 12. Cool. Cut. Okay, so now we can screw it in here. Then this one gets completely stuck. There's some resistance in here as long as we put this one in first. So we do this. So we say inside screw, then gun, and you need to be minus 0.1. That should be it. So now we have all the physical attachments. So this one Don't go off again. Just be off. So we have the microphone stand. That's one is gone. Okay. Yep. Alright, now I need to print this, then hopefully Tuesday I can assemble it. Hopefully Tuesday I'm gonna do something other cool thing, but I'm not sure if the printer arrives in time. And we get it. So, made some progress. See you all next time. We're getting there. I'm getting tired, I'm hungry too, so we're getting there. So we made a cool, hopefully cool prototype for a handheld microphone holder, which is gonna look very silly, but like, it's fun making silly things. That's really fun. Alright, and there we go. See you all next time. Have a good day, evening, have a good morning, wherever you are, and good luck.